Welcome to OS-Rahalla channel. Today we're taking you on a tour around the world to discover the 5 most stunning airports that amaze travelers with their design, beauty, and unique experience. Airports are no longer just places to wait for your flight. They've become destinations themselves. Let's start our journey. Airport number 5, Kansai International Airport. Kansai International Airport in Osaka, Japan, is famous for its unique location and impressive engineering. Built on an artificial island in Osaka Bay, the airport was designed to withstand earthquakes and typhoons, making it a marvel of modern architecture. Opened in 1994, Kansai Airport has a sleek, futuristic design with spacious terminals and stunning views of the surrounding sea. It offers travelers excellent amenities, including shopping, dining and relaxation zones, and even has a sky view observation hall for watching planes against the backdrop of the bay. Kansai International combines Japanese efficiency with breathtaking scenery, making it a must-visit airport in Asia. Airport number 4, Dubai International Airport. Dubai International Airport in UAE is one of the busiest and most luxurious airports in the world, setting a high standard for travel excellence. Known for its stunning architecture and expansive terminals, it offers travelers an unmatched experience. Dubai Airport features high-end shopping in its famous duty-free areas, with everything from luxury brands to unique local products. The airport is also equipped with top-notch lounges, gourmet dining options and quiet areas for rest and relaxation. Its stunning design includes indoor gardens, spacious walkways, and an overall luxurious ambiance that leaves a lasting impression on travelers. Dubai International truly exemplifies the grandeur and innovation of modern aviation. Airport number 3, Incheon International Airport. Incheon International Airport in South Korea is renowned for its stunning design, efficiency, and unique traveler experience. Opened in 2001, it's consistently rated among the top airports worldwide. Incheon combines modern architecture with cultural touches, offering beautiful indoor gardens, traditional Korean performances, and even a museum showcasing Korean heritage. Travelers can enjoy luxurious amenities like spas, sleeping lounges, and a golf course, as well as impressive shopping and dining options. The airport's commitment to customer service and its efficient, innovative facilities make it an outstanding gateway to Asia and a memorable stopover for millions of passengers each year. Airport number 2. Hamad International Airport. Hamad International Airport in Doha, Qatar, is known for its luxurious design, advanced technology, and world-class facilities. Opened in 2014, the airport has quickly gained recognition for its impressive architecture, featuring spacious terminals filled with natural light, high ceilings, and unique art installations. The most famous of these is the giant yellow lamp bear sculpture, which has become an iconic symbol of the airport. Hamad International offers travelers premium lounges, luxury shopping, and relaxing spas, creating a seamless and comfortable experience. Its focus on innovation and comfort makes it a top choice for travelers around the world. Airport number 1, Singapore Changi Airport. Singapore Changi Airport is often regarded as one of the world's most beautiful and unique airports. It's more than just a place to catch flights. It's a destination in itself. Changi Airport is famous for its stunning indoor gardens, including the lush butterfly garden and the impressive rain vortex, the world's tallest indoor waterfall. The airport is filled with luxury shopping and dining, relaxation zones, and even entertainment areas with movie theatres and gaming zones. Its design blends nature with modern architecture, creating a peaceful yet captivating environment for travellers. It's truly an unforgettable experience that sets Changi apart from any other airport. Brings us to the end of our journey through the 5 most beautiful airports in the world, each transforming travel into an unforgettable experience. What do you think? Have any of you visited one of these airports? Share your experience with us, or let us know about another airport that impressed you. If you enjoy exploring the world with us, don't forget to subscribe to OS-Rahalla channel for more breathtaking destinations. Thank you for watching, and we wish you safe and enjoyable travels.